Good day, I'm Scott Dietzen, and I'm the CEO of PureStorage. In my career, I've had the good fortune to enjoy a front row seat for some major tech transformations: the World Wide Web, Java, open source, and the cloud. Storage underlay, but I'll argue was relatively untouched by each of those waves. In this next decade, it's going to be storage's turn to face disruptive change. Today, your company is likely facing a crisis in storage. Your overall data footprint and your performance demands are growing exponentially, but your budgets for new equipment, for power, and for space are all flat. Accommodating this exponential growth on flat spend seems intractable, and yet servers and networks have been getting faster and cheaper following Moore's Law for decades. Storage has failed to keep pace due to the constraints of mechanical disk. Today, you can buy performance disk, which is cheap, but it's slower than everything else in your data center. Or you can buy flash, which is fast, but not cheap. Otherwise, you can experiment with hybrids of flash and disk that fit somewhere in between. But just imagine if you could get the performance of flash at the price point of performance disk. By breaking the cost barrier, all flash can become a more compelling choice than performance disk or hybrids of flash and disk. In 2009, PureStorage set out to do precisely this. And today, we couldn't be more excited to introduce the PureStorage FlashArray and its tightly coupled controller software, the Purity operating environment. When compared to disk, the PureStorage FlashArray is at least 10 times faster, it's at least 10 times more space and power efficient, it's more reliable on enterprise workloads, and most compellingly of all, it costs less per gigabyte than performance disk. Purity is able to break this cost barrier for flash by delivering 5 to 20 times lossless compression and deduplication. And the truly unique bit is doing that without sacrificing sub-millisecond latency. By rethinking the storage architecture holistically for solid state, PureStorage was able to deliver this breakthrough in value proposition. But by packaging our product as an enterprise array, we also deliver plug compatibility with your existing virtualization and database infrastructure. Storage is collectively carrying the baggage of decades of customization for spinning disk. The truly fun bit is watching our customers' reaction after they've completed their initial setup and data migration. It's only then that they begin to realize the quantum leap forward made possible by leaving mechanical disk behind. Real-time analytics, richer OLTP, virtualization of high-performance apps, you name it. With flash cheaper, faster, more space and power efficient, more reliable, and dramatically easier than disk. Why buy disk? Speaking on behalf of the team here at PureStorage, thanks again for your time, and in the coming months and years, we hope you give us the opportunity to win your business.